Back in time we go. History Thursday is here. Keep your eyes open. A ghost fact could appear at any time. What type of technology uses robots and computer systems to automate manufacturing processes in factories? That's right, robotics. Which Roman province was Julius Caesar assigned to govern after his term as consul in 59 BC? You got it, Gaul. Roman aqueducts were primarily built to transport what essential resource to cities? You got it, water. What new type of paint, made with pigments mixed with oil, became popular among Renaissance artists, allowing for richer colors and greater detail? Nailed it, oil paint. What was the name of Magellan's flagship, which he commanded until his death in the Philippines? Correct, Trinidad. What was the primary trade commodity sought in the Spice Islands that motivated Magellan's voyage? That's right, nutmeg and cloves. What was the name given to the code of conduct that knights were expected to follow, emphasizing honor, courtesy, and bravery? You got it, the coat of arms. In what modern-day country is the Colosseum located? You got it, Italy. Which of these authors wrote The Grapes of Wrath, a novel about a family of migrant workers during the Great Depression? You got it, John Steinbeck. If a coat of arms includes a mullet, what object is being depicted? Nailed it, be a five-pointed star. That's a wrap. Hit follow so you don't miss geography tomorrow.